Private home in cul-de-sac on huge lot west/small creek and heavily treed backyard. LG PBTH west/oversized jetted tub, standalone shower and dual sinks and spacious bath. PBR features a large closet, 9 feet ceilings down, 8 feet ceilings up. Hardwood foyer, updated stairs and rails. Huge first floor laundry room. Family room is wired for home theater. With plantation blinds. Near hospital highways, dining and entertainment. New roof, HVAC 2020, $3,500 west/full price offer towards painting/buyer's discretion. Photos are virtually staged.